Turn on the light. Eden, hop off of that. That's his. Turn on the light, Eden.
I can sit on it.
What is it?
It's a dumpster. I love it.
Justice.
It even comes with a bed.
Oh my goodness.
And that's what she wants. No, I got two.
Justice, what do you think?
Justice, look, here's a book of dump trucks.
Merry Christmas. What do you...
Look at this away. Justice, this is right there. You can look at it. Look at all these things. Look, this is a cowboy hat.
Oh, Justice, look.
Look, here we got cowboy hat. We can put Legos there.
Hey, Justice, I like your cowboy hat.
Look, Mama.
Oh my goodness, Eden, is that for you?
Yeah.
Do you know what? This table's for you, for your room, so you have a Lego table too. What do you think?
Justice. Look, buddy.
he's kind of distracted. See what you got, buddy? What is that?
It's a duck truck.
Are you excited? Are you gonna put it on the porch? What is that for? Is that for you to sit your doll in and do her hair?
Yeah. Can I do it right now?
Sure. I don't know.
Go.
We have presents to open.
And maybe they could be wrong.
Hey, Justice.
Talking Justice, look.
He's kind of distracted. He's having fun. What do you guys say?
Thank you.
You excited? Justice, do I get a kiss?
I knew I could get this.
You
I
were hoping.
really, really knew.
Mwah.